Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine, but I'm going to show you for the PM and for AM. Right now, I just got out of the shower. It's around like 9:30ish, so I'll be heading to bed.
Why you always lying?
Well, not yet. Who am I kidding? I stay up till like 12. I'm just gonna get right to it because I can already feel my face is getting dry, so I need to get some moisturizer or something on my face ASAP. This is all of my skincare. I do have, I think it's quite a bit. I mean, I don't really know how much skincare everybody has. A lot of this stuff is more like monthly treatments or weekly treatments, so I don't use it all the time. And there's different moisturizers depending if I want something for the nighttime or for the daytime. Products I'm gonna show you, I truly believe in them. I've been using them for a long time, or even just like a couple months, and I know they are working well and they're working good for my skin. And I am also breaking out. For about the past year, I've been getting all of this like redness and little bumps. I don't know, I have no idea. But anyways, now I'm just rambling. Let's get right into the skincare. First thing I'm gonna use is Paula's Choice. If you follow Skincare by Hiram, you probably know he talks about this all the time. This is my second refill of this whole bottle. This is a 2% liquid exfoliant. It has salicylic acid in it, so it helps with oil, it helps to unclog pores, shrinks pores, smooth and even skin tone, and it is lightweight. And yes, it definitely does. I can notice a difference when I apply this, like even the next morning and the day after. So I'm gonna go in with that first. Take it on the pad here and I almost kind of like dab it and press it into the skin. My skin, like I said, it's very oily. I know it's a bad habit too. I do like to pop. Normally for me, I'll either get like little whiteheads or like actually in the pore I can tell there's sebum in there, which is oil. When it comes up, it's like a clear yellowish color. I know, whatever, TMI, but this is a skincare video, so that is what you're going to get. Most of you can probably relate to, and definitely if you have this type of skin, I'm just gonna let that absorb first before I put on any other product. I'm gonna go in with the Paulas Choice Niacinamide. This is 20%. Put a few drops on my hands here, and then I'll just rub it in, and I'll start with my neck, and then I just work up and kind of pat it onto my face. And this dries down pretty well too. Like, this has no fragrance to it, no smell. Yeah, you can just tap it all over. And you can kind of see like right after, almost gives you like, see how it gives you a little bit of a glowy effect to it? I really like it. And none of this stuff irritates me. So this is new. I've been trying this for about 2 weeks now. I've been using it every day. My skin does feel a lot smoother. My pores do look smaller and they're not as clogged as they normally are. Exfoliant, I've been using this for a long time and I know it's really good. Going with the Retinol eye cream by the Inkey. I'll warm it up a little bit and then I'll just apply it underneath. Last thing here we need to do is put on moisturizer. And because here in Canada it is just so cold, there's so much snow, everything's all dry. Luckily, you know what, my face isn't that dry. It's just very oily and yeah, acne prone, that's about it. But I still put on a heavy moisturizer. So I've been trying out Farmacy Honey Halo. This was gifted to me and it is so good. It's an intense moisturizer. I'm almost done the bottle. It hasn't irritated me. It's been so good. I would highly recommend this. That's probably why my skin hasn't been dry lately, because I've been using this. You just take a little scooper, grab out your product, and then I normally just place it on the back of my hand. I'll just take the product and just dab it onto my face. It does spread out well, but it's super thick, so you don't need that much of it. See, you can probably see how much that, like, it literally covers my whole cheek with just that little drop. I can't forget the neck. I feel like I have a hunchback. Aww. So that is it, guys. That is my 4-step skincare for the nighttime. And yeah, I think it's pretty easy. And like I said, it has been working for me. I'm going to head off and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so now it is the morning time. So this is my face just like waking up. You can see it is oily all from the night there. What I'm gonna do is use my Bioderma face wash. I'll wash everything off from the night before. Just make sure there's no oil or anything from sleeping and being on the pillow. And then I'll show you the products that I use in the AM. Bioderma face wash that I use, I've been using this for probably at least, it's been at least like 6 years I've been using this. I stand by, it's very good. It works for sebum, for oil, which is me, oily. I did not go to bed last night until almost 3. So the morning is pretty simple. There's just maybe like 2 steps really. This, I'm just gonna start off with some sunscreen. I'll just spray it on my hand here. And I'm just gonna apply this onto my neck. Don't go out in the sun that much, especially now because it's winter. But when I am filming, I'm still sitting in front of like 2 big windows. So I do put sunscreen on just so I don't get any sunlight. from the windows. I am crazy about sunscreen and protecting my skin. Something new I've been trying out here. This is by Good Molecules. This is a really nice brand too. They just have like simple ingredients. It kind of reminds me of like the Inkey and the Ordinary. And this is just a wake up eye cream. This little container here, this kind of reminds me of like a medicine container. Like I have creams in here. You know what I mean? Like when you get prescription creams. But I think it's kind of cool. I'm just gonna apply that under the eyes. And then lastly, I just put a moisturizer on, and that's it for the morning. The moisturizer here I'm using is the Cetaphil. This has an SPF 15. Definitely have to make sure I have a SPF on because some of those products from the nighttime, the Exfoliant and the Niacinamide, it's recommended that you put sunscreen on. So I'll just put that on. And I don't really put that much either. The more moisturizer I put on my face, the more oily it'll get. So just a very small amount. It's super, super simple. And all of these products, they don't irritate me. They don't make me break out. So if this is something, if you have similar skin to myself, definitely try out some of these products, see if it helps you. That is it. My face is all ready and I'm gonna go do some makeup now. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this style of video. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you would like to see next. I'm always looking at the comments. Like always, guys, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can do a few things that are super easy and free. You can like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on the little notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, which is now every Sunday. Yay! And that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.